So how can you check the size of the Apple Watch but like manually, right? So let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you should know that you can of course just grab the Apple Watch, and if you have like a measuring tape, you can literally just measure the screen of the Apple Watch. If you don't have like any other option and you want to do it like manually this way, you can use a ruler and literally see, how large the display is, but that is, of course, one of the most basic methods. The other one would be by flipping the Apple Watch over and around the sensor. So we have like the circle with the sensor, and around it, we have some information about the watch written. So as you can see, in my case, it is showing me that the Apple Watch is the GPS LTE, that it is the series or the Apple Watch Ultra, that it has 49 millimeters. It has the titanium body, and all of the like random things which are like part of the features of the watch are on the backside in here. So that's how you can quickly know and measure it, and I guess like check the size of the Apple Watch without even having to turn it on. So you can quickly identify the model because it has it all written on the backside. It's very practical, especially when dealing with devices which you cannot turn on quickly. So that is what you can do about it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to see it on your watch. If there is something specific or something else which you have problems with, let me know about it. It's possible I'll make more videos about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.